Best foam roller. A foam roller could be a fantastic buy if you're getting ready for athletics, enjoy massages, or simply have sore muscles. These compressed foam cylinder tubes are lightweight and come in a variety of diameters and stiffness levels. They can be utilized for self-myofascial release, which is a technique for relaxing specific tissues. Foam rollers are commonly used either before or after a workout. They can help with muscle tension, pain, and inflammation while also enhancing range of motion. The following foam rollers in this video were chosen because of their uses and attributes, durability, price and customers' feedback. But to see the best updated prices and find out more about these foam rollers, you can check out the links in the description. Before we start, we have a question for you. Which foam roller are you using and would you recommend it? Let us know in the comments. Number 1. Best overall. Trigger Point Grid Foam Roller. Are you looking for a roller that will last a long time? The core of the Trigger Point Grid Foam Roller keeps it in shape even after years of use. If you're looking for a pretty firm roller with a ridged surface, this is the one to choose. The bumps and ridges on this roller not only imitate a hands-on massage, but they also penetrate deep into your tissue if you need more pressure. This product comes in a variety of bright, attractive colors and includes free online instructional videos from Trigger Point's fitness experts. Number 2. Best for travel. Brazyn Morph Collapsible Foam Roller. The Brazyn Morph Collapsible Roller solves a major problem with foam rollers: they don't necessarily work well for packing. This totally collapsible roller is only 1.9 inches thick when folded down, so it'll fit easily into your gym bag or carry-on luggage. It also only weighs 1.5 pounds. The foam is on the softer side, and it's easy to compress it by pressing on the roller's discs. With a tug on the draw ropes, you may easily return to normal roller shape. Note that some customers have complained their rollers collapsing on them while in use. Number 3. Cheaper travel alternative. Gaiam Restore Compact Foam Roller. Looking for a less expensive option? Although the Gaiam Restore Compact Foam Roller does not totally collapse like the Brazyn Morph Collapsible Roller, its small size makes it easy to transport. It's a medium density choice that allows for roller texturing. Given the strenuous arm and leg work it allows, several buyers thought it was a bargain. Number 4. Best value. Amazon Basics High Density Round Foam Roller. The Amazon Basic High Density Round Foam Roller is a no-frills choice that has received positive feedback from customers. Although the texture of a roller can help activate muscles, a smooth roller, particularly one with a high density, distributes pressure uniformly when massaging muscles. This uniform pressure distribution may help to reduce bruising. As a result, even though this Amazon Basic product lacks texture, it is still quite effective. Number 5. Best Medium Density. OPTP Low Rocks Aligned Foam Roller. Looking for a workout that's a little gentler on your muscles? The medium density of the OPTP Low Rocks Aligned Foam Roller makes it excellent for therapeutic work, warming up, and relaxing muscles after stretching. Number 6. Best High Density. Lux Fit High Density Foam Roller. The outside surface of the Lux Fit High Density Foam Roller is smooth. It comes in 3 sizes and is quite lightweight. A 1-year warranty is also included. Furthermore, it is reasonably priced. Number 7. Best Half Roller. OPTP Pro Roller Soft Half Foam Roller. This roller's soft foam is great for light massage or for providing support during balance and stability exercises. One of the advantages of this half roller is how easy it is to clean the closed foam. Number 8. Best Stick. Tiger Tail Massage Stick. This stick's length and lightweight design makes it simple to angle into any portion of your body. The foam layer also prevents you from inadvertently causing discomfort by digging too deeply. Importantly, while you apply pressure to your aching muscles, the rubber grips will not shift in your hands. While you won't be able to apply the same level of pressure on your muscles as you would with a traditional foam roller, this stick is portable and can be kept at your desk at work. How to choose the best foam roller. Consider the following factors when looking for the best foam roller. What you plan to do with it. Are you in need of some pain relief? Do you intend to use it for exercise? The right size. Is it better to have a big or small roller depending on how you want to use it and your body size? Additional features and firmness. Do you require a firmer roller to massage your muscles? Do you want one with ridges or one with a flat surface? Price point. How much money do you have set aside for a foam roller? Customer feedback. Reviews, particularly if you want to buy your foam roller online, can provide useful information regarding the materials and stiffness. The bottom line. A foam roller can be a helpful piece of equipment to purchase, whether you're adding to your home gym or need something to massage your sore muscles. The list above can assist you in beginning your search. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. Feel free to drop your contribution or questions in the comment section. And for more concise fat loss tips, subscribe to this YouTube channel.